Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. I'm Pranav and now I'm here with a new topic which is name is launch now. Some sounds crazy, na? So this topic is mostly for the creators or even founders who are launching their products, and they are facing the more biggest dilemma, which is when the right time to launch our product. So most of the time I will heard from the people that they are asking ki, when we should launch our product. So I will suggest, and in my thoughts I will give you a short understanding about this. So firstly I will like to tell the harsh truth, that is perfection is the biggest trap. It means improvements is never ending process. It's a continuous thing. And if you think ki everything will be perfect and then you will launch, then I genuinely suggest you never launch a product. I never launch a product ever. So what's the solution, brother? So the solution is you just focus on the necessities and essentials that you would like. You think ki this is gonna be perfect, and then we will ready to launch. Because you don't need to improve everything. You don't need to make a perfect word. You just need a functional and technical one. It means it's just functioning in, it's just ready for the functions, and you just do what's your purpose for the with this product that you will solve. Mark my words, because the business is not the game of perfection. It's the game of existence and identity. If you will never show your product, you will never show your company, then you never will succeed in the corporate world. Because there is a simple thing, yeah? In the day one, you will never succeed. You still need to work on the 30 days, and after 30 days, and in these 30 days, you will figure out the mistakes, take the feedbacks, refine it, and relaunch. So it's the continuous process. You just need to do. One more thing, I have a very good example that uh, I think you have to listen it. So do you guys know the company Camper? Those know those the guys know doesn't know this company, I would like to say that it is a shoe brand. Okay. So one time the Camper has launched their store, the physical store, not the online store. They launched their store in the San Francisco, but the construction are in progress. Okay, it's not completed, but they will still launch their store. They open their doors for the customers, and I will tell you the condition of the store is the floor is with the plywood, simple plywood. The shelf is not get so much prepared. The wall are clean, and only a white paint are put it on the wall, and they will launch their product, and they will launch their shoes and put it on the shelves. Okay, and the couple of sentence that yeah, they put it on the entrance of the store is ki work in progress. this, the customers or people I go to the store, and they feel very happy, and about the rawness, and about the rawness, and the real thing, that and the honesty of the stores, and they will write that wall a very good thing. You know, do you know what the thing is? They write, keep the store as it is, in the condition that it is in this stage, because they believe कि they are the honest company. So as per I said, You just need to launch your product. Doesn't wait for the everything for all signals are green, and they will then you will start driving, because it's the thing that it's one of the thing that never ever happened. So if focus on the necessities, essentials, and whenever you fulfill, then the right time you will launch, and the improvement you will be done on the overtime. So that's it for for today, and I think you will enjoy it. So we will meet in the next one.